Ever wondered why your newly transplanted plants don't thrive as they should? Transplanting plants can be a bit tricky. It's a delicate process requiring the right technique to ensure your plants flourish. Let's unravel the mystery behind successful transplanting. Timing is everything when it comes to transplanting. The best moment varies, depending on the plant's life cycle and the season. Whether it's a tender seedling or a mature shrub, each has its prime time for a move. Remember, choosing the right time can make or break your transplanting success. A well-prepared new home is key for your plant's smooth transition. Begin by assessing the soil condition, light exposure, and space. Amending the soil if needed, and ensuring adequate light and room are fundamental steps. A well-prepared new location sets the stage for a successful transplant. The way you dig and handle your plant can significantly affect its survival. Gently scoop the soil around the root ball, preserving its integrity. This is vital to minimize damage. Handle with care, like a fragile object. Remember, gentle handling is crucial during the transplanting process. Now comes the crucial part, planting and watering. Immerse your transplant into the prepared soil, ensuring roots are comfortably spread out. Water generously, but avoid flooding. This aids in settling the soil and minimizing transplant shock. Proper planting and watering are the final steps towards a successful transplant. And there you have it, the secret to successful transplanting. Remember, selecting the right time, preparing the new location, careful digging, handling, planting, and watering are all crucial for your plant's survival and growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy transplanting!